Congress has been itching to get some oversight over hedge funds. Here's Congressman Henry Waxman.
We need some regulation of these hedge funds in order to make sure the incentives are right for them and others to do the right thing.
And media reports have found them to be the new flavor of the week.
In a Wall Street culture where almost anything goes, many hedge funds operate virtually without rules, governed only by money.
Okay, so a hedge fund is basically a portfolio of investments for the super rich. Super rich meaning just to join the hedge fund, you've got to earn a minimum amount of money annually, and you've got to have a net worth of more than $1 million. The hedge fund tries to get high returns for these super rich people by using all kinds of investment strategies. Long bets, short bets, derivatives, leveraging. There's a lot of flexibility. Media reports have been particularly critical of short selling.
It works like this. A hedge fund borrows, say, $100 worth of stock from a broker and then sells it for $100. They're hoping that company goes right in the toilet so they can buy the stock back at $50, return it to the broker, and keep a $50 profit.
It's almost counter to sort of the American spirit, betting on someone's failure.
I mean, it is and it isn't, Bill, because it really is what you're doing is what the shorts do is they keep everybody honest. You know, if a company's out there, you know, hyping up their stock to a level of where it shouldn't be, the shorts are out there to basically act as a check against that enthusiasm, to keep everybody in line.
But it's not like hedge funds sprung up overnight. They've been around since the 1950s and started gaining ground around the 1960s. Investopedia says that after a 1966 article in Fortune magazine highlighted the fact that hedge funds were outperforming every mutual fund on the market by double-digit figures, everyone wanted to be a part of a hedge fund. In fact, by 1968, there were around 140 hedge funds in operation. So why are media reports so surprised at what hedge funds do?
Most seem open to sharing their trade secrets to regulators, but not the rest of us.
To ask us to disclose our positions to the open market would parallel asking Coca-Cola to disclose their secret formula to the world.
But let's call a spade a spade. Hedge funds made some bad bets on securities they're going to have to pay for.
But they do agree it's probably a bad idea to make bets with millions in borrowed money, especially since hedge funds lost $100 billion last month, and thousands of them will probably go belly up.
But hedges are as much a part of Wall Street as pinstripe suits and power ties. For the Business and Media Institute, this has been the Biz Flog.